In this video clip, I will show you an easy way and time-saving method of inserting data from a table that is in a format of an image, whether it is JPEG or GIF format or any other format, and instead of inserting and typing the data in the table one by one for each score into an Excel, there is an easy way to insert the data directly from a table that is in a image or in a picture. The way to do that in Excel: if you find this video useful, do subscribe to the channel, leave any comment in the indicated box, and activate the notification bell to receive the recent and latest release into the channel of several different video clip, and click on the like icon and share the video link with others so the channel can expand and improve to include a large scope of different statistical method and how to analyze data using several different statistical packages such as SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovi, RStatistic or Statistics, GraphPad, Prism, GPower, Python, and RevMan. Here I have an image of a table that have data in it for gender, weight, and height, and instead of typing each score or each data in the table in Excel, there is an easy way to insert this data directly into Excel. In the Excel sheet, click on data and then look for the icon for the picture from file. So we're going to insert data from a picture from a file. Click on that, locate the table and click on it and select the table, and the Excel will transform the image into a data as shown here. Click on the icon for insert data and then click on insert data, and the data from the image is inserted into Excel without the need to type it in individually. There are other options to insert data. We could insert data from a picture from a file or from a picture from a clipboard. Back again to this image, if I right click and then copy the image, back again to Excel, and then click on data and then choose the options for picture from clipboard. Click on that and then the data is transformed from the picture. Click on the icon for insert data and then insert the data, and the data are inserted in an Excel sheet, whether it is from a file or from a clipboard. If you are a student or a researcher and you have a data, whether it is quantitative or qualitative, and you want to perform statistical analysis on that data using any of the softwares listed here, whether it's SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovi, RStatistics, GraphPad, Prism, RevMan, GMP, Python, then do contact me to arrange for either a one-to-one private tutor session or a training course on any of these statistical packages. My contact details are given here, so don't hesitate to write to me or email me if you need a private one-to-one tutoring or a training course.